Do you know many people are having trouble with opening the door on their Electrolux UltimateCare 900 dryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off dryer. First, press the on/off button to make sure the dryer is turned off. Step 2. Pull handle. Locate the handle on the dryer's door and gently pull it towards you. Step 3. Check obstruction. If the door doesn't open easily, check to ensure no laundry is caught between the door and the rubber seal. Step 4. Open door fully. Fully open the door by pulling it all the way out. Step 5. Close gently. After using, close the door gently to avoid any damage. By following these simple steps, you should be able to open and close your dryer door easily. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Electrolux users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.